Good morning, students. This is Dr. Divya. Today's topic is origin and evolution of bryophyta. So, bryophyta are small, non-vascular land plants. They require water for reproduction, and the defining feature of bryophytes are that their life cycle featuring alternating haploid and diploid generation with a dominant branched gametophytic phase, and the term bryophyta has its origin in the Greek language, referring to plants that swell on hydration. So, origin of bryophytes. So, the bryophytes are quite soft, delicate, and therefore they lack fossils records. So, all the views based on the evidence under the following three heads. First, evidence from comparative morphology of the living plants. First, evidence from ontogeny of the living plant. Third, evidence based on analogy with the living plants of the group. Biologists are divided into two schools of thought on the origin of bryophytes. One school of thought supports pteridophytean hypothesis and one support algal hypothesis of the origin of bryophytes. Pteridophytean hypothesis. So, according to this, the bryophytes have been descended from the pteridophyta by means of reductions, though they formulated their argumented on the basis of the following two features. So, close similarity between the sex organ of the group, resemblance between sporogonium of Anthesiros sphagnum and terminal sporangium of fossil pteridophytes like sporogonids and oniophytum. So this is the theory strongly supported by some of the scientists such as Lang, Kinston, and Scott, Excel, and Kashyap. So affinities, if we talk about affinities to similarities of their pigment, they have similarities and structures of cell wall, foods reserved, reproductive method and life cycle. Scott introduced the idea 1950, 1911. So presence of chlorophyll and plastid in the sporogonium of moss and anthocyrus and presence of stomata on the sporogonium of anthocyrus and the apophysis region of capsule of mosses. So this figure shows like sporogonium of mosses. They have a peristome, tube, epiphragm, and the sporogonium. This is the longitudinal section of sporogonium of Anthocyrus. In a Kashyap 1919. So, Equisetails is divided in three orders: Markinstein Jungerminales, and Anthocyrotales. And Haskell he advanced the origin of the bryophyta from the algal through the xylophytes by simplification. So algal hypothesis, these are the similarities. So first is amphibian nature, second is presence of flagellated spermatozoid, third is presence of free water at the time of the fertilization. Alga like Protonema, Bauer 1908, so bryophytes show resemblance with the green algae chlorophyll. So photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene, lutein, and phylogenitin. So they have a starch as the reserved food material, filamentous protonema in the juvenile phase. So Frisch view 1916-1945 based on comparative study of various algal groups, gradually reduction of conductive tissues in aerial plants such as sargassum and heterotrichous habits as in phytophorales, parenchymatous structures of erect filament as in laminarials and fucales. So these are figure shows the Sargassum and Chaetophorales and Fucales. Smith 1955. So Bryophyta have originated from chlorophycin primitive form established in area having plenty of water and gradual changes from aquatic to terrestrial. This lead to the establishment of more massive plant body and evidence of moisture. Alpha Smith, Fischella, a member of Chaetophorales, may be probable near to primitive ancestor for bryophytes. So again, the supporters of the hypothesis also believe that sex organ of bryophytes have been evolved from Ectocarpus algae. So these figures shows the origin of bryophytes and illustrating the hypothetical origin of the Anthridium and Archegonium from the pleuroloculus sporangia of certain type of the Phaeophyceae like as Ectocarpus. So evolutions of bryophytes, there are two theories regarding evolutions of bryophytes. The first theory is upgrade and progressive evolution theory. Second one is downgrade and regressive evolution theory. First is progressive evolution theory. So there is a progressive evolution which means that it starts with the simpler form and terminates in complex form. Caviers, Campbell and Smith supported this. This theory revealed their first evolved biphyta was Sphaerorhizia, a hypothetical type, which combined the present-day genus Sphaerocarpus. Kareff's 1910 proposed progressive theory and showed a phylogenetic line of evolution in biphyta. So these are phylogeny. This figure shows the phylogeny of the biphytes. So regressive and downgrade evolution theory. So the primitive biphytes were most like in appearance, and this view has been supported by Wettstein, Kashyap, Perokos, and Zimmermann and Mehta. Is a phylogeny and present day classification of bryophyta. Bryophyta is classified in three classes like Lepidopsida, Anthropsida, and Bryopsida. In Lepidopsida classes contain 330 genera and 8,000 species, and Anthropsida contains 7 genera and single order, and Bryopsida contains 700 genera and 4,000 species also. So, based on the structure of gametophyte, they have classified further. Distributions of some common biphytes in northeast India. In Arunachal Pradesh, there is the Cythodium cavalianarum species is found, and Phylloxeros laevis species in Assam, Polytrichium pilliferum and Bryum capilliferi species found. Phylontos fontana and Phylontos hestata is found in Manipur. Brachythecium and Buchkania like Targinonium hypophyllum is found in Meghalaya. Bryum alpinium and Africum undulatum is found in Mizoram. Dumiri Tortera Phyllosita and Spirulina radii found in Nagaland. Asteria Khasiana and Brylum pseudo Tricanium is found in Sikkim. Trimetrodon longifolus and Garcia fugosa is found in Tripura. Thank you.